Test, 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 test. It's in the car, Sissy.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you're so excited for Disneyland? We are at Neb Cafe and Brunch in the OC, where we are going to get some delicious Vietnamese breakfast items, including the famous Vietnamese egg coffee. Yeah, Honeysuckle,
And then
Zung, D-Z-U-N-G. Spiced peanuts. Delicious. So we're going to be ordering a few things from here that looks delicious. Definitely the Dao, which is my mom's name. Soy sale. You have to drink the one with the cat. So we ordered quite a few things. First one is the Dao, which is potato espuma sous vide egg with truffle oil. Holy cow. And then they also have some really interesting Vietnamese classic items that they've reimagined, which I'm really interested to try. Soy sao, which is sticky rice, sliced mung bean cake, pork jowl thịt kho, which is like a braised, home-style, comforting weeknight meal that my mom used to make, fried quail eggs, and fried shallot. That looks delicious. Banh mi chao, which is like the typical traditional Vietnamese breakfast where you have it with a little bit of side of eggs and steak with banh mi. I've seen this on Instagram and it looks pretty good. And then they're also known for their Vietnamese egg coffee, which you guys have definitely seen me make before on the channel. But yeah, very excited to try all these things. Thank you so much. This is for the kids. On the kids menu, they also have sticky rice with cha lo, which is this right here. It's Vietnamese steamed sausage and eggs. So this is the Saigon cooler. It's a mix of coconut, pineapple, sugarcane, juice, and then you just pour this butterfly pea tea in there that changes color. Amazing. Ooh, it's delicious. They love how the butterfly pea tea just like floats on top. They also have a marbled coffee, which is kind of like a spin on Vietnamese coffee. Nice and strong. I like it. And you guys have seen me make this on the channel before. It's a very popular Vietnamese drink, the Vietnamese egg coffee. You want to taste the cheesy egg foam on top? It's a beautiful mixture of egg yolks, condensed milk, whipped up into like this beautiful voluminous foam that floats on top of coffee. I describe Vietnamese egg coffee as like tiramisu in a cup. But you're supposed to mix everything together. That is so good. Literally, that is like dessert in a cup. What's also really popular here as well is called beer chung. They make beer with an egg foam like this. It's a little too early for beer right now. Here's the bone marrow pasta that you guys saw him prepare. There's some pea shoots in here as well. It's rich and creamy looking. Let's give it a try. Oh, wow. So you bite in, you think it's gonna be like this Italian-inspired dish, but it's full of umami. It tastes very much Asian. There's like hints of sesame oil, maybe a little bit of oyster sauce in there as well. It reminds me a lot of garlic noodles. Let's try this one, the Vietnamese Egg Breakfast. There's a truffle butter, pate right here, the filet mignon. I'm gonna put it on a piece of toast. Got my egg and filet mignon. Now this is a special breakfast. What a way to start the day. There's so many flavors in here. The pate really rounds it out and makes it taste super hearty. Let's try this roasted tomato too. Perfectly smoky. And the meat is so tender. This one is a Szechuan Noodles. It's just noodles with some broccoli and peppers. It's on the spicy side. The noodles are thick and fat. Definitely one for adults. It's a little on the spicy side. Now we have the soy sao, which is the sticky rice, the mung beans, quail eggs, and the pork jowl. This one 100% looks like a winner. Reminds me so much of the type of soy that my mom used to make. This right here is usually enjoyed as breakfast, a snack, and it just screams comfort. And another fun fact, nếp means glutinous rice in Vietnamese. All right, let's try the dao. I love how beautifully presented this is. It's very upscale looking. It's a sous vide egg with truffle oil. And you have some potato espuma. I'm not sure what that is, but let's try it out. I believe this is the potato espuma on top, and then the egg is inside. Yep. Nice creamy yolky egg. You just spread it on this delicious crunchy toast. This is the deconstructed banh mi pate. The pate is in this little ramekin right here, and you just spread it on a piece of toast. Comes with some pickles and a little bit of mayo, which I'll just kind of dip it in. Great appetizer. Delicious. So many different flavors, and I love the pickles, which just adds that like nice acidic crunch. This place is 10 out of 10. It's so delicious, so visually appealing, so colorful. If you guys are in the OC, definitely check this place out. We're done with the food. Now it's for round 2, dessert. So I actually was just told nếp also means routine. Aside from glutinous rice, it means a routine. That's why they named the restaurant this. Then they specialize in breakfast and coffee because morning routines, that's what we all love. Start off with some coffee, some breakfast, 2 beautiful desserts, and a feast for your eyes. So this is a coconut sorbet with jackfruit. It looks like this is lychee or longan. Very tropical, very delicious. And this one I'm really excited about. If you guys don't know what durian is, it's a tropical fruit that's a little bit on the stinky side that you either love or hate. I personally love durian, so I feel like this is such a treat for me. But you're supposed to pour this coconut sauce right on top and enjoy the whole thing, the durian, fresh durian with the sticky rice. There's a little bit of peanut on top that's usually kind of salty, so it just rounds out all of the flavors together. Cheers! I haven't had something like this in so long. Now on to the coconut sorbet. So light, flavorful, and tropically delicious. Roll in. Is it good? Now that the restaurants are opening up again, eating out at family-friendly places is something that I definitely want to film and share with you guys. So if there are any local favorites that you recommend, please let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to crush the like button if you're excited for this new series, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!